Our first task in building a house, office, or industry is to make a floor plan. It may take 3 to 6 months or more to learn CAD design. And if you can learn these tasks by watching a video, then how about it? You can do 2D design very easily. Besides, you can convert 2D design to 3D in just a few seconds. If you plan space, renovations or layouts but you are not full-time designer, EdrawMax help you turn raw idea into a clear professional visual for much faster. To download EdrawMax software, open any browser and search www.edrawmax.wondershare.com. EdrawMax is basically a product of Wondershare. If you visit the website, you will get complete detail about EdrawMax. Go to the product to download the software. Here, if your computer configuration is slow, you can use the web version. If you do not have computer, you can use the apps for your mobile phone or smartphone. And for the computer, you select EdrawMax for desktop. Download the software according to your OS from here. After downloading, double-click on the software icon from the download, then press the install button to install the software. EdrawMax is not only for floor plan. You can do many more things with it. If you select the floor plan option, you will see many templates below. You can select the template of your choice or take a blank drawing sheet. I'm select a template. The drawing you can see here, many seem complicated, but it is very easy to draw. I'm also taking a blank drawing sheet. I will add a guideline view from the view, which will make it easy to draw. On the left side, you will get all equipments of professional floor drawing in the symbol option. From here, you can draw very easily through drag and drop. As an example, I am showing a drawing. I am taking a vertical wall. I will turn on show dimension from the dimension settings. From here, you can adjust the length, thickness by increasing or decreasing. I will take a horizontal wall. I am drawing the main area. Now I am drawing a room area. Below it will find many more symbols. You will find door, window elements in draw and window elements options. From here, I am drawing door and windows. I am taking bed from bedroom. I am taking a tree for decoration. See how easy 2D drawing is. This way you can easily do 2D drawing. If you want to change dimension, then you can change it from scale setting. For example, architecture, engineer, metric, you can select the required one. If you want to make the drawing colorful, then you can select the element and set the color as you like. That is, you can easily draw by drag and drop like so many templates. If you want, you can arrange room, kitchen, bathroom through text. For that, you can write vector text from insert. To convert your 2D design to 3D, select the entire design. Select floor plan to 3D. select the template of your choice, we will get 4 options. Here we will get 4 options. We can select any one from Auto Match, Modern, Natural Wooden, Refine Luxury. I am selecting Auto Match, then I will select Generate Now. In some times, our 3D design will be created. See how easily and beautifully the 2D design has been converted into a 3D design. How real and accurate the sofa, bed and other furniture has been created in the entire interior design. Now we will learn how to draw from a template. On the left side, you will find a template option. If you click here, you will find different type of templates. I am using the Crawford Office template layouts. If you want, you can customize and change each element of this template. Again, you can add different element to this template. Now we will learn how to create a 2D image using AI prompt. Let's go to Home. Here you will find the AI option. That is, if you want, you can create a design with the help of prompt. I am giving an example. It basically generates an image with the help of the GPT image. If you select house floor plan, you will see numerous AI templates. If you want, you can also use AI templates. I am writing a simple prompt. On the prompt is written, click on the arrow sign. Your design will be created in a short time. Our design is ready. You can see how much professional drawing has been created. A better design has been created than what I wanted. Now the question may arise, is it possible to customize the image of this design? Yes, it is possible. If you have made any kind of drawing by hand, it is possible to convert it into an editable design. Now, we will learn how to convert a sketch image or downloaded image into an editable design. For that, we will go to Home again. For there, go to Floor Plan, select Generated Floor Plan with AI Recognition. Here, input any image you had drawing or downloaded. I am taking a picture of a hand drawing design. It will take some time. See that the raw image has been converted into a editable drawing. If you want, you can customize this design as you wish. It is possible to do many more things with this software with prompt. We will find Edraw agent on the right. With the help of option, I will generate an image with the help of prompt. See how beautiful the luxury 5th floor image has been created with the help of AI. If you are interested in knowing, then I will bring you another video on this. For that, you can let me know by commenting whether you want to more videos on these topics. If the video is helpful, like and share. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and active the bell icon.